Hey YouTube, I'm selling my paper shotgun now, slash sniper. I had added the extra barrel or additional. You will be actually getting that, which might raise the price or more. Ignore that picture with that other shotgun, but this is what it really looks like. Bam. So don't forget. Comment down there, and this is going to the wish place, whatever, wishwall.me. So yeah, all I had to do is just use some tape and paper, which I'm gonna make a paper shotgun. I mean, not a paper shotgun, I'm gonna make what's it called, more stuff. I'm gonna make more stuff that goes with it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, goodbye.